This video chart presentation of China BAK Battery Inc. It's a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading our ticker CBAK. It's a pretty nice little uptrend this has got coming off the bottom here. It held a base around 90 cents. Been steadily trending upward over the last couple months. Even with the down day in the markets on Friday, CBAK managed to put together a pretty decent day, up 5%. Right about 200,000 shares traded. Kind of getting at some critical points, these indicators. See the MACD breaking through the money line at this point. Of course, everything is moving right along with this price per share. We're going to have our eyes peeled for continued movement at this point, see if it's going to hold this support level. Everything else is kind of rolling right along with, you can see uptrend in the PPO. ADX starting to put together a little bit of steam, trying to break out of a trading pattern, head towards a true trend. Chart's a little bit skewed. Sometimes it gets scaled in a little differently. You can see the positive DI is only registering at 30. There's still plenty of room for upward movement there. Nice uptrend going on in the MFI. Conversely, we're still seeing this accumulation distribution trending downward. See right through there. All you can look for in something like this is try and hold that base, try and put together some upward movement, show a little bit more buying pressure coming in. Shaking money flow does show that selling pressure is subsiding. Still dominant at this point, but certainly heading towards zero. Great uptrend going on with the CCI. Full stow continuing to make higher lows. Needs to make that turn now and get back above 50, show some strong momentum. And the tricks, much like the MACD, good long-term indicator, making its way smoothly back towards zero. So we're not seeing any real negative divergences going on, which would give us hints this could be dying out. Again, nice uptrend in the RSIs. There's pretty good momentum in this play. Indicators all look pretty good. So what I look for now is this support level at $1.15 to hold. See, that's just over top of the 50-day moving average, registering a 113. If the Dow is going to continue to struggle like it is with the debt ceiling, of course, that does add a little bit of issue to anything trying to move, especially big board stocks. But overall, this chart's looking pretty nice. I like the bottom support at 90 cents. Of course, that's way too far away from where I'm looking now. But there is more support right there around $1.04 and additional support at $1.10. But over these last 2 weeks, it pushed through a pretty substantial resistance level at $1.15. It came back and was holding it on Friday. So that's going to be the first key spot I'm going to look at. You can see it closed at $1.21, so it's a pretty close stop loss. I'd look for resistance to certainly start picking up here around $1.30. And the top out resistance in the near term is going to be that $1.37. So it gives a pretty decent upside to it till it's going to run into real strong resistance with a pretty close stop loss. So technically speaking, the chart has a pretty nice look to it. As I mentioned, I'll throw some lines on there anyways to show the support at $1.04. And the next level, if it can break through that $1.38, resistance really doesn't pick up heavily again until around $1.60. Of course, 200 days coming into play at that point. Never something I look for to happen instantly, but if you're going to take a look at charts, you need to identify both the downside and the upside. And there's where I see strong support and strong resistance with the CBAK chart. Should be an interesting week in the markets with the decisions coming into play. And this will be one of the charts that we'll throw on the watch list and see how it performs. As always, this is merely my interpretation of the CBAK chart. Thank you for watching and trade smart.